Hey everybody, Baron Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate. There's that number. You're going to want to jot that down and call because we have a really great rental home for you today on Denarau Island in the Links Precinct. And this is about 20 minutes from the International Airport and a short walk or bike ride to Denarau Marina, the port, all the boat charters, inner island transfers, restaurants, entertainment, shopping, grocery stores, coffee shops, wine shops. Everything is right here. And let's just start out with these beautiful rain tree slabs here. That's real local rain tree. It's just really beautiful wood grain. 2-car enclosed garage. Notice it's tiled and finished out, so really, really nice. Side yard there, access. Also your washer and your dryer with extra storage. Let's take a look at the great room with the air conditioner, ceiling fans. Look at the beautiful Fijian hardwood up there. And notice again another big slab of that rain tree, flat screen TV, huge couch. Can't you just see yourself plopping down right here, boom, and just taking it all in. I know you have some Netflix shows that you love watching. Well, after a big day of surfing at Cloud Break or doing some scuba or snorkeling, just laying on the beach and relaxing, you're going to want to sit right here. So let's go to the first bedroom. Check this out. These things are huge. This is not a normal size bedroom. So this is big, and I mean big, big. It also has, you're going to see, mirror with a desk over there. So if you're putting on makeup or doing a little homework, if you have kids, great place to do that. All the wardrobe there for extra built-ins and storage. And you can see the linen closet just here to the left. There's that soaking tub. Some people love taking a nice bath, and that is readily available with your shower stall. Nice granite countertops. There's your bathroom stall. Again, that linen closet, extra storage. Another view of the great room and that really nice entryway there. And you can see everything opens up. All the decking's been brand new. The house has been totally painted. So a lot of upgrades just happened here. Of course, that air conditioner is going to keep you nice and cool. Here is bedroom off the living room. And if you do have kids, look at that. We've got those bed sheets all ready to go. We got a little Snoopy. We got a little Disney. And of course, some storage for all the kids' toys and clothes. Okay, we're gonna come back. So we have split master bedrooms. Okay, we have a master off this side with an ensuite, and then we have one just to the other side of the pool, just there, and we're gonna go there in a minute. So look at this, opens up, beautiful grass area, vaulted ceilings with the air conditioner and fan, and those privacy curtains and screens, but look at that. Don't you just love the colors here? Just those pops of green and that blue from the tiled pool is just really spectacular. And then look at that nice foliage there, tropical, great shower stall, lots of storage in here, toilet areas in the back. But take a look again, you can wake up to that. And you can certainly put some chairs out there, some loungers, umbrella. If you have kids, again, great play area out there. Bring that croquet set or even your golf putting or putter or chipper. And just behind the backyard there is the Denarau Golf Club. And that's why they call this precinct the Links, because you are right on the golf course, just behind that privacy area there of the trees. You have the golf course. So if you want to play some golf, just on the other side of that is that golf course. Covered patio, brand new wood decking, so in case it does get inclement weather, you can still come out here and enjoy with friends. And we know some pilots who lived here previously, and they used to entertain quite a bit, and you can see why, because there's a lot of storage here, huge island for people to sit down and entertain. And just look at the kitchen table. I mean, there you go. So if you have 4 couples who want to come, or a big family with kids, this is perfect. It is literally plug and play. And let me come down here and I'm going to show you the second master suite off the back with the ensuite. So here you have it. And again, that makeup mirror, beautiful stand-up shower, all that great storage. And then again, opening up directly, this is your view from the bed. How about that? So gorgeous. Go to professionalsfiji.com to learn more. Call us at +679-999-2051. We want to hear from you. And we'll end with this. Vanaka.